Hey everyone, and a huge welcome to all of you in mathematics in the modern world. Today we are tackling the big one, the thing that can make even the best of us sweat a little: word problems. But what if I told you there was a simple 4-step strategy to conquer pretty much any problem you face? Let's get into it.
You know the feeling, right? You're just staring at the page, your mind is totally blank, and you can feel that panic start to bubble up. It's super frustrating, but believe me, it is a completely normal feeling.
And here's the best part. You don't have to stay stuck. There's a legit roadmap for this, a clear, step-by-step guide that can take you from total confusion to a clear solution every single time. You just need to know the steps. So who do we have to thank for this amazing roadmap? A brilliant guy named George Polya, often called the father of math problem solving. He spent his life figuring out how we think and was convinced that absolutely anyone could become a great problem solver. And this was his whole thing, his core belief. He argued that problem solving isn't some magic power you're either born with or you're not. Nope, it's a skill that, just like anything else, you can learn, you can practice, and you can totally master. And his big revolutionary framework, how complicated is it? Well, it's beautifully simple. It all comes down to just four key steps. That's it, 4 straightforward steps to completely change how you look at any math challenge. All right, let's get into it. Let's break down Polya's 4-step plan. I want you to think of this as like a universal key that can unlock any problem, not just in math class, but in real life too. So here they are. Understand the problem, devise a plan, carry out the plan, and look back. Basically, understand, plan, do, and check. Simple, logical, and trust me, incredibly effective. We're gonna break down every single one. Okay, before we go any deeper, I just gotta hit pause for a second and give a massive shout out to everyone on our class channel. No problem, only solution. Seriously, your support and all the engagement make creating these explainers not just possible, but a ton of fun. If you're new around here and you're finding this helpful, please think about supporting the channel. We would absolutely love to have you in the community. All right, let's open up this problem-solving toolkit and really break down what each of these steps means when you're actually using them, starting with the most important one. Okay, step 1, understand. And listen, this one is without a doubt the most crucial step. Before you even think about an equation, you have to truly, deeply get what the problem is asking. Rushing past this is probably the #1 reason we all make mistakes. So you gotta stop and ask yourself this one super important question: what is the actual goal here? What am I trying to find out? What does the finish line even look like? If you don't know your destination, there's no way you're gonna find the right road to get there. And to get that crystal clear picture, here are some questions to ask yourself. What's the unknown? What info do I already have? A huge one is trying to restate the problem in your own words. Seriously, if you can't explain it simply to a friend, you probably don't get it yet. And hey, never underestimate the power of a quick sketch. Okay, so once you're feeling really solid on what the problem is all about, it's time for step 2, devise a plan. This is your strategy session. This is where you put on your detective hat. So, how are you gonna tackle this thing? What's your angle? Notice we're not actually doing the math yet. We're just deciding on the tools and the methods we're gonna use to get the job done. And just look at all these different strategies you can use. It's not a one-size-fits-all deal. Maybe you can spot a pattern or work backwards from a potential answer. Sometimes you can even solve a way simpler version of the problem just to figure out the method. The whole point is to pick a strategy that feels right for the problem you're looking at. And now it's go time. Step 3 is where you actually execute the plan you so carefully made. Time to roll up those sleeves, put pen to paper, and do the work. You get it, you've got a clever plan. Now are you ready to put it all into motion? This part takes focus and just, being careful really pays off here. Now, a few really important things here. Patience is your best friend. And listen, it is totally okay if your first plan doesn't work out. That is not failing, it's just part of the process. Seriously, don't get discouraged. Just loop back to step 2 and try a different angle. And please, keep your work neat. It'll save you so many headaches later on. Okay, you got an answer. That's awesome. But hold on, you're not done just yet. Step 4, looking back, is the secret weapon. This is what separates the good problem solvers from the great ones. This is where the real learning happens. It all comes down to this: does my answer actually make sense?
Before you circle that answer and move on, just take a breath and ask yourself, does this number I came up with make sense in the real world? Like, if you were calculating someone's age and you got 250 years, this is your chance to catch that.
So here's your final check. Plug the answer back into the original problem to see if it works. Double check your arithmetic. It's so easy to slip up on a plus or minus sign. Thinking about all this stuff just makes you that much stronger and faster for the next problem.
So, what's the big takeaway here? It's that you are in control. Nailing a tough math problem isn't about some kind of magic genius. It's about having a process, a reliable strategy, and the confidence to actually use it. It is a skill you can build one problem at a time.
Your journey to becoming a confident, unstoppable problem solver, it really starts now. And hey, if you want more helpful explainers just like this one, make sure you check out our dedicated Mathematics in the Modern World playlist. We've packed it with resources to help you succeed in this subject. So, with this 4-step framework in your toolkit, I'm going to leave you with one final empowering question to think about. What problem are you going to solve next? Thanks for tuning in.